How to fix message cannot verify payment information on Apple ID. 1. Double-check your payment info. Go to Settings/Your Name/Media and Purchases/View Account/Manage Payments. Make sure everything matches exactly what's on file with your bank. Even a slight mismatch can cause errors. 2. Check for unpaid purchases. Open Settings/Your Name/Media and Purchases/View Account/Purchase History. If you see unpaid items, you'll need to clear them first with a valid card or Apple ID balance. 3. Try a different card if you have one. Sometimes Apple won't accept your existing card. Add a new one first before removing the old card, especially if you have active subscriptions. 4. Try making a small purchase. A few users said buying a 99-cent app or song helped force the system to recognize their card. 5. Contact your bank. Ask if they're blocking Apple's verification charges. Some banks treat these small authorization charges as suspicious. 6. If you're in family sharing, only the family organizer's payment method is used. If verification keeps failing, the organizer should update the payment info.